Hey guys, it's Rachel, and I'm here to share with you guys my Invisalign experience with Trident Smiles Dental. So, I had a teeth alignment problem for a while, and it really started to bother me. I didn't want to spend too much money though, so I decided to use a direct-to-consumer do-it-yourself brand. I tried it out for a couple of months, but I didn't see any results. And in fact, it ended up causing more pain because the aligner trays had these sharp edges because of the in-home mold, which was just super annoying. And what sucked even more was the fact that when I reached out for the remote dentistry help, I didn't even get it on time. I was not happy with that situation at all. Thankfully, though, one of my friends actually recommended that I go to Trident Smiles Dental because she had a great experience. I decided to give it a shot and I booked a free consultation with them. And the warm staff at Trident recommended me to try out the Invisalign treatment as a solution. I did it and I've been undergoing Invisalign treatment for about 6 months now, and I've seen some amazing results. I mean, just look at this. Oh my gosh, my teeth look so great and straight, and I can smile more confidently now. And the best part about this is the fact that whenever I need them for any questions or I have any issues, they are always available. I would 100% recommend Invisalign with Trident Smiles Dental.